This right here is the Desloc B200 Smart Lock, with top tier features, but it is still extremely affordable, especially for this price point that you can expect with our links. That's a mega value smart lock for deadbolt systems right there. And yes, I'm way too excited. So if you want to upgrade your security, well, then this is the video for you. So let's go. New drip. Got the new drip from Desloc, the B200 Smart Door Lock for deadbolt systems. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you. Yeah, now let's check it out.
Short word from our sponsor about the problem. I think everyone can relate because it's about batteries. Those little things that are most of the time not ready to use when you need them. And therefore we have a solution. And that's coming from
Linogy. A brand that is committed to providing high-quality lithium-ion battery solutions, including cool and innovative ways to charge those. Just throw any battery you find into their smart battery charger and wait for the magic to happen. Boom! And wanna watch it again? Boom. Yeah, that charger not only charges the batteries, it also ejects them into the tray below when they are fully charged. So no worries about overcharging or overheating the batteries. And the best part? You're not limited to their own powerful 3600 mAh batteries. You can charge almost everything without worrying about the used technology. Because the built-in safety features detect faulty or non-rechargeable batteries and then simply refuses to charge them. But it's not only just a smart charger with a cool e-ink display and a battery tester. No, you can watch the little tree growing while you're charging batteries, or press the side button and scan that appearing QR code with your smartphone to see the bigger picture. You can name your tree, track how many disposable batteries you avoided, see your CO2 reduction, and even view this shared virtual forest with others. It sounds small, but it really makes you think. Every recharge actually counts. Small actions, real impact, and you can literally watch it grow. But what if I'm more a AAA person? So what about other form factors? Of course, they also offer AAA rechargeable batteries, but not only that. They've come up with smart ways to adapt sizes to fit the charger. One option is to have sleek casing that turns any AAA into a AA battery, which I honestly didn't even know existed, and that's a really cool thing in my book. Plus, there's also a neat adapter that fits directly into the charger, letting you charge AAA batteries without any extra hassle. And yes, the automatic ejection works perfectly even with the adapter attached. So yeah, if you want battery charging that's smarter, safer, and actually kind of fun to use, check out Linogy. Hit the link in the description to learn more and grab yours. But now back to the video.
If you're interested in the unboxing, as well as my first impressions and a close overview, then check out the first video. I will list it in the cards right here, as well as in the description, of course. It's worth checking it out. Also for the app deep dive, it's an in-depth, comprehensive video over 20 minutes long that goes into every detail. So definitely check it out if you're interested and if you want to know more. What I do want to cover briefly though is the setup as well as the installation. The whole process was really simple and straightforward. We have a great manual, and literally in a matter of minutes you will have your old lock replaced with a brand new one with epic futuristic features that we will check out right now. As you can see, the B200 offers a great look from both sides. A super quick installation in less than 15 minutes, even for beginners. This is a beginner-friendly system, to say the least, and it is packed with tons of awesome features, like all the different unlock methods. We're talking fingerprint, key, code, card, over Bluetooth with the app of course, and with the smart lock gateway you can make it accessible from all over the world, thanks to the power of the internet. With this, it is fully smart home ready and also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant and all these smart home platforms. Very long lasting battery life, intuitive interface, great customer support. So yeah, it's everything that you want and need from a smart door lock system. And with that said, let me show you everything that you can do. So let's start here with the back side. We of course can unlock and lock manually. just like that. Unlock, it will open up. Lock it, it's locked. Simple as that. Lock it, unlock it manually. And also on the back, right here on the back side, we also have the battery tray. For AA batteries, this will go a very long time. And if we open it up manually and close it up again, then after a set period of time, it will auto-lock itself. There are tons of customization features in the app, and to unlock it, the easiest method would be the fingerprint. It's super quick, as you can see, unlocked. When the door is open or ajar, it will stay open, but when you close it up again, it will lock itself. That was the fastest method, fingerprint. Boom, open. You can register many fingerprints for many users. Then secondly, we have the card, same as before. Many cards, many users are possible. Just put it right there, unlocked. And it's also extremely fast, as you can see. Then, of course, we also have the code. Locked again, so we have the number pad. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in my case. And unlock. That's the code. Super easy, super fast. And the benefit of codes, of course, and if you're noticing, it is also talking to us. Right there. The benefits of codes is that you can simply send them over a text message to anyone. You can configure it over the app, even register a new code on the fly, send it over to someone, and he can access and open this door. If you run out of power for whatever reason, you still have the USB-C port down here. You can power it up with a power bank to power it up again, and then you can use all the features once more. But there is also a physical safety precaution, so you have the actual keys that you can also use to open it up. So just stick it in and then it will work the same way as with the physical mechanism on the back. Check it out. Right on. So with this lock we have the benefits of both worlds, digital as well as analog. You can carry a spare key or hide it somewhere in the garden or wherever you can think of. And if you have the app for this device, even if you're not the owner, you can also give permission to other app users. Then of course you can also open it through the app over the Bluetooth connection, so it works like this. That's the control over the app right there. That's one of many possibilities, as you can see. So right there we have touch to unlock, hold to lock. So let's tap it. Right on, we will get the sound, the notification, the alert, and hold to lock, trying to lock, please wait. That is awesome. So I will show you what it will look like. So again, hold to lock, boom, there we go, and touch to unlock. Super easy, super fast, tons of possibilities. And again, then there is also the gateway, the G2 smart lock gateway. And again, with this, you can connect this smart lock system to your Wi-Fi and thus to the internet. And then you can access it with the app, not only locally over Bluetooth, but from anywhere. This is especially great if you have many visitors coming in and you don't even have to create new codes for them. They can just call you, you open up the app, and unlock the door momentarily. They can enter, close the door, and it will lock itself once more. So yeah, this is a top-tier, top-notch door locking system for an amazing price point. It's crazy. Massive thumbs up from my side. So as you saw, the B200 offers all the state-of-the-art features that smart door locks provide and then some. And it's all packed up inside of this great looking body, sleek, minimalistic. I love the design. It's pleasing to the eye and it looks awesome. Great hardware, great build quality, and top-notch features, as well as an awesome companion app. Yeah, and if you get this, then definitely get yourself the G2 gateway as well. This will open up a whole new universe of control for this lock. But even without it, it's a great and secure system. But well, if you want to enter the world of smart home, then this is a must-have without any question. Again, great features, especially for the price point. It brings a lot of value to the table. It is super affordable. It is unbelievable. And best of all those high-tech features, I love it, but you still have the hardware key, an actual mechanical key as a backup. You will get 5 of them to be specific. So with this, you will get the best of both worlds, the digital effortlessness and convenience. Their slogan, after all, is where convenience meets smart locks. Perfectly fitting. And secondly, of course, the safety of a good old manual door lock. In case that the battery or anything else fails or you don't have a power bank available, it's never bad to have the analog backup. It's very unlikely, but as you know, it's great to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So yeah, this lock can do it all. Pin, card, fingerprint, key, app, and more with the gateway. A cutting-edge door lock on all levels. So all in all, the P200 is of course definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you right now. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one, and show you then I will see you soon.